Welcome to the award in International Climate Change Law. You will be guided by an international expert, exploring relevant and current topics. In a legal landscape that is constantly changing, this course offers guidance through the challenges and opportunities of international climate change law. The most pressing challenges of our time will be explored, from global environmental legislation to sustainability policies. You will deepen your understanding of international agreements and develop practical strategies to mitigate the impacts of climate change. Students not only gain advanced theoretical knowledge but also immerse themselves in practical applications that prepare them to face real-world challenges. Our educational approach is based on engaging and interactive visual content. Graphics and key data are presented clearly, providing students with a memorable and engaging learning experience. Your journey to excellence begins here. Don't miss the opportunity to expand your skills and distinguish yourself in the field of international climate change law. Enroll now to secure your spot.